Yo, what's up guys? Your boy Fire is back. And today, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano gawin yung thumb around reverse. Like that. So, no further ado, hiksa! So, yun nga. So, last video, pinakita ko sa inyo and tinuro ko kung paano gawin yung thumb around. And ngayon, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano gawin yung thumb around reverse. Like that. So, kagaya din lang ng thumb around, make a peace sign, pero sa baba ng inyong pin spin. Like this. Then, yung thumb nyo, imbis na dito nyo din ilalagay sa taas ng middle finger. Then, ganun din lang. Imbis na ito yung ilalet go nyo, ito naman. So, put pressure on your thumb. Then, ito yung gagalaw. So, igaganon nyo lang siya. So, practice nyo. First step is ganon. So, pigayin nyo lang. Then, let go. Like that. Then, ganon. Then, practice nyo siyang katshin. Gamit tong tatlong daliri din lang ninyo. Like this. Ganon. So, see? Make a peace sign. Like this. Then, your thumb dito sa baba. Like that. Then, put pressure. Then, let go. Like, snap. Ganon. Reverse snap. Like that. Ganon. Reverse snap. So, it is like this. Ganon. Then, improve and catch. That. Ganon. So, madali lang siya. Parang thumb around din lang siya, guys. And so, hope it helps.